Hello everyone, and welcome to our little hike around Qualicum River Falls, located in British Columbia, Canada. The Qualicum River Falls is a stunning natural wonder with a height of approximately 30 meters, cascading down in multiple tiers of white foamy water, surrounded by lush greenery and beautiful forests. The Qualicum River Falls Provincial Park covers an area of approximately 13 acres, with a variety of trails and pathways that offer breathtaking views of the falls and the surrounding areas. It's like a treasure hunt. But instead of treasure, you're looking for beautiful views and a sense of adventure. The park is a home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including black bears, deer, and a variety of bird species. So if you're into bird watching, this is the perfect place to be. But be careful not to confuse a black bear with your neighbor who forgot to shave this month. The park also offers several picnic areas, making it an ideal spot for families and friends to spend a day out in nature. Just be careful not to share your sandwich with any bears or other wildlife in area. They might not appreciate it as much as you do. On our walk, we noticed multiple tables in the beginning of the trail, but you probably can hang out somewhere along the trail. Mind you, the main trail around the falls is gonna get pretty busy, so maybe if you wander a little bit away from the falls, you'll find a nice place where to unpack your dinner and have a little bite. The area around the Qualicum River Falls is rich in history and culture. The Qualicum First Nation is the indigenous community that has lived in the area for thousands of years. So if you're interested in learning about the local culture and history, this is the perfect place to be. But if you're like me and can barely remember what you had for breakfast, don't worry. There are plenty of signs to guide you along the way. One of the best ways to experience the area around the Qualicum River Falls is by taking a hike on one of the many trails on the park. It's like an adventure, but without the danger of getting lost or eaten by a bear. Well, hopefully. The Lower Falls Trail is one of the most popular trails in the park, offering an easy hike that takes visitors to the base of the falls. The trail passes through a beautiful forest and offers several lookout points, providing excellent opportunity to take stunning photographs. Just to be sure you have a camera ready, because you never know when a deer might photobomb your shot. Look out for the deer. Oh no. For those seeking a more challenging hike, the Upper Falls Trail offers a more strenuous route, leading to the top of the falls, providing a bird's eye view of the cascading water. It's like a stairway to heaven. But instead of meeting St. Peter, you meet a stunning waterfall. Aside from hiking, the area around Qualicum River Falls offers several other activities for visitors. Fishing is a popular activity in the area, with the Qualicum River being home to several species of fish, including steelhead, coho salmon, and a cutthroat trout. Just be sure not to let the fish outsmart you. This park also offers some camping facilities for visitors who want to spend more time in the area. It's like a sleepover, but instead of your friend's backyard, you're sleeping under the stars, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Just be sure bring your own s'mores, because I don't think the bears will be sharing their marshmallows with you. The Qualicum River Falls is not only a stunning natural wonder, but is also an important source of hydroelectric power for the local community. The waterfall's power is harnessed by a small hydroelectric plant located just downstream, providing clean and renewable energy to surrounding area. It's like a giant power generator, but instead of coal and gas, it's fueled by the power of falling water. The Qualicum River Falls is also a popular spot for kayaking and canoeing, with the river offering a variety of challenges for experienced paddlers. If you're visiting the Qualicum River Falls in the summer months, be sure to bring a swimsuit, as there are several swimming holes located near the falls. If you're looking something to do in the winter months, the Qualicum River Falls offers a different kind of beauty. The falls often freeze over in winter, creating stunning ice formations that are a sight to behold. The area around the Qualicum River Falls is also a home to several small towns and communities, each with its own unique charm and character. The town of Qualicum Beach, for example, is known for its beautiful beaches, quiet shops, and friendly locals. It's like a small piece of paradise, but with a Canadian twist. If you're into history, the area around Qualicum River Falls has a rich past, with several historical sites and landmarks located nearby. The nearby town of Parksville, for example, is home to the Craig Heritage Park and Museum, which offers a glimpse into the region's past through exhibits and artifacts. We've heard that the Qualicum River Falls is also a popular spot for weddings and other events, with its stunning natural beauty providing the perfect backdrop for a memorable occasion. And if all this talk about bears has got you worried, then don't worry. The park has a team of dedicated rangers who patrol the area to ensure the safety of visitors and wildlife alike. Overall, if you come and visit, the Qualicum River Falls is a magnificent natural wonder that offers an excellent opportunity for visitors to experience the beauty of Canadian wilderness. It's like a slice of paradise, but without the palm trees and the beach. Whether you're a nature lover, hiker, photographer, the Qualicum River Falls and surrounding area is a must-visit destination.